What is up, guys? We are back at it again with another video. So today I'm going to be heading over to Concept Z and getting a catch can because I really need it. So yeah, today we're going to do oil catch can install. So we just got to Concept Z. If you guys don't know, they are local here in AZ. But I got this one. This is the only one that they had in stock at the time. I should have ordered it beforehand. Like ordered a Mishimoto one or something beforehand, but yeah, this will do for now. And it's polished because I'm trying to keep everything polished in the engine bay. So yeah, so I'll see you guys at home and we will install this. So I read your guys' comments about this, and yeah, it does look tacky. And I don't like it. I'm gonna take it off. So the thing is, this, you know how it's silver right there? It's not silver there anymore. The previous owner had wrapped them with black, and I peeled it off and it just peeled everything off. So I'm just gonna put another black wrap that I have laying around there. So yep. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a breather filter. I honestly don't like this one, but this is the only thing that they had in stock at the time, and I didn't want to wait like another week or so for like a Mishimoto one. But honestly, I think I might just order the Mishimoto one, but I'm gonna throw this one on for now. It is the next day and I still haven't installed the oil filter, the oil catch can, but I did fix the oil cooler, the transmission cooler leaks that I had, so that's all done with. And I'm here with my boy Jesse.
Hi.
Hi. So this oil cooler that I got from Concept Z is basura, trash. So I got another one from Amazon that I've seen a lot of YouTubers use, and honestly the quality on this one's way better, and it's baffled too. The other one is not baffled, so it doesn't need a filter or anything. So I'm gonna be throwing this one on instead. And the other one, I couldn't find a good placement for it, but this one I'm gonna throw it on right here, so it fits on pretty perfect right there. Whoops. My boy Jesse's gonna record me.
Hi.
Hello.
What up?
Feels weird having someone record me because I never have help.
For real?
You guys don't want to pull up on me. We're just wrapping this up real quick. Remember, guys, always wrap up.
Goofy, bro.
Oh, right, I messed it up already.
Well, now we know you never wrap up.
Alright, should be good. And then just gonna thread it on. So it should be good. And we're gonna do the other one, and then once we do the other one, we'll get right back into it. Alright, so when you take off this hose, where did we leave it at? Oh, we left it over
I don't
here.
know, but we ripped it.
Oh yeah, so I took it off and I ripped. But there's gonna be this hose that's gonna be right here. It's gonna be like tucked in under like right here. So you're just gonna want to take these clamps off, just pull it out, and then pull this out. But yeah, this thing is baked, so yeah. And then for the oil catch can, where it says in, this side is gonna go, this port is gonna go into this, and then this other port is going to go into here. I'm not explaining it good because I'm not a mechanic, but
Into that line.
yeah, it's gonna go into this line. So Jesse's a mechanic though, with a K. Yeah, so we just mounted it up right here. It's kind of jank. We did some zip ties, but it looks good right there, huh?
Yeah.
It's all here with all the reservoirs, the coolants, power steering. No, what is this? Oh, it is power steering. Yeah, see, I don't know anything about cars. We out here. So yeah, this one, like I said, this one goes that one, and then this one goes to that one right there. Yeah, here's the final result of everything. Everything's looking good. One last thank you So we are here at the gas station now. So I didn't record this at all, but we adjusted his bags because one side was an inch higher than the other side, so we had to adjust it like coilovers basically. I don't have bags, so I wouldn't know, but I helped him do it. But the thing is, which one sits lower?
The other one?
The other one sits lower. But yeah, we still got some adjusting to do, and he's gonna get some. He needs camber in the front too. And then my boy Jesus pulled up.
What's up?
You
Damn, hardworking man.
Yeah, he didn't say anything about you.
Bro.